In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate lending and banking with QuickBooks. Whether you're new to QuickBooks or simply want to understand more about managing loans and credit within the platform, this guide will walk you through each step to get the most from these financial tools. To get started, open your web browser and go to the QuickBooks homepage. Once you're there, you're probably familiar with logging in and seeing the dashboard that provides an overview of your business finances. The dashboard should now be your starting point, as it displays everything from sales to expenses, and even your profits. Now let's dive into lending and banking features, which are essential for managing loans and credit. On the left-hand side of the dashboard, you'll see a menu. Scroll down and click on Lending and Banking. This section is crucial as it offers a comprehensive look at your financing options. Next, you'll want to explore term loans, so click on Term Loan. A term loan is generally a straightforward option if you're looking to borrow a lump sum that you'll pay back with interest over time. It's perfect if you're making a big purchase or looking to expand your business. This section will give you details on any term loans you're eligible for, as well as provide you with repayment information and conditions. After that, switch your focus to credit possibilities by clicking on Line of Credit Options. This line of credit acts like a financial cushion, allowing you to borrow up to a certain limit and pay interest only on the amount you're currently using. It's a flexible and convenient way to manage cash flow, particularly for short-term requirements. Let's move on to something just as important. Click on Scheduled Payments. Here you can manage all your outgoing payments efficiently. This part of QuickBooks enables you to set up, track, and automate the payment schedules for various loans or credit accounts you may have established. Consistent and timely payments are essential for maintaining a good credit score and avoiding late fees or penalties. Now, we'll explore potential perks available through credit, so click on Business Credit Cards. Business credit cards can offer additional benefits such as rewards points, cashback, and more, which help maximize your purchasing power. QuickBooks integrates with these to provide seamless tracking of your expenses, which is invaluable for maintaining transparency in your financial operations. By the end of this guide, you should feel comfortable with where to find and how to manage loans, credit lines, scheduled payments, and business credit cards within QuickBooks, all of which are key to supporting your business growth. Thank you for following along in today's tutorial, and remember, the more you engage with these features, the better you're equipped to make informed financial decisions.